All right, everybody, we are headed off to Sacramento to grab the Camaro after 5 years. We've been slowly putting this thing together, paint, body, interior, all the drivetrain. So looking forward to it. It's been a long project. Glad it's almost over. We're going to have to drive it a few hundred miles, take it back, have them go back through it. But looking forward to picking it up today and sharing that adventure with you guys. All right, it's a little windy, but we just made it to the shop. We took the car for a quick test drive. We're here at Gearhead Garage. Jason's got all of his extra cars sitting out. Once we get this all paid for, we'll back it out and then we'll do a quick walk around. But yeah, I'll say we're, including Shannon, happy that it's back, or it will be back. Hopefully it'll make it all the way to our house. We can get it registered and get it street legal. And yeah, let me go pay for this and we'll do a walk around. All right, I'm grabbing the car. I'm going to take a quick walk and show you guys some of the cars in here. I'm going to probably have to cut the sound because of the music they're playing. Needs a little shining, but it looks good. Alright, super happy with the car. Headed home. Let's see if we can make it the 160 miles back home. All right, so we made it home. It's a couple days later. It was storming kind of terribly the night we got home, and then even worse yesterday. There was some flooding. Shannon got to drive it for the first time.
It's fun. A lot of fun.
Here it is back at home. So we're gonna park it, call it a day, but I wanted to make sure she got to drive it before anything happened to it, and we'll check back in with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.